welcome to my channel, Cake. I'm your hostess, Suzanne. Today we're going to be making this ocean life cake. If you'd like to know how I made it and how you can make it too, just keep watching. Today is Charliann's birthday party. Charliann is my oldest granddaughter, my third grandchild, and she just turned 8. And today we are celebrating. She asked for a chocolate cake, so I made a chocolate cake, 3 layers, 8 inches. Probably no surprise to any of you. That is my favorite. I filled it and crumb coated it with chocolate frosting, and then final coated it with just a vanilla American buttercream. And the colors that I used to dye this frosting are Wilton's Sky Blue and Wilton's Royal Blue. I just did about half and half. The Royal Blue was too dark and the Sky Blue was too light, so I mixed them together. Yesterday I made these corals and sea plants, sea life, whatever you want to call it. So it gave it some time to harden up just a little bit. The cake is on the verge of crusting over. I have a little bit of water and a pastry brush over here on standby just in case we need it. I'm just going to apply until I like it, you guys. There's no rhyme or reason. When I made these items, I did not have a specific place in mind for them. I just made a bunch of stuff. I have placed our 8-inch cake on a 10-inch cake drum. That will just give me a little room to decorate it. I would have put it on a cake stand if the party was going to be here, but it's not, so I need to transport it. And I can't transport a cake on a cake stand if I don't have someone to hold it for me. So I didn't trust that it would stand up the whole way over to the party, over to Grant and Caitlin's house. So we are putting it on a cake drum today. We'll put it on a cake stand when we get to their house. I think this turned out pretty cool. I like the fact that it's all weird, funky shape, not just flat. And I did that by putting it on the foil. I wasn't going to put any on the top, but I think I'm going to have some just hang over a little bit. I think that's going to look pretty cool. This one's still a little bit pliable. I'm going to go ahead and bend it over the corner of the cake. At least that's what I'm planning to do. I cracked the fondant a little bit. I'm just applying a little bit of water. Hopefully that will lessen the crack. Maybe it will bond back together. That's what I'm hoping for. I think Charliann's Ocean Life birthday cake turned out pretty cute. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think of this cake down in the comment section down below. I hope she loves it. You guys remember, I'm just a home baker with absolutely no training. If I can make this cake, you can make it too. It just takes a little time, patience, and practice. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really does mean the world to me. If you're new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. It's quick and it's easy and just a couple clicks. And while you're down there subscribing, please hit that bell. It's called the notifications bell. It will just remind you when I upload new videos, which is on Tuesdays and Fridays. If you like this video, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave those down in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you. I'm having an amazing day. I hope you are as well. Until next time, make it a great day. Charliann is my granddaughter. She's the oldest of the girls, and hers turned 8. Yesterday we made these, not we, you didn't do anything with it. I think Charliann's Ocean Life cake turned out pretty cool, cute and cool together. If you have any comments, please